You're interested in AI. How do you get into the industry? Let's discuss. So one of the questions I've been asked, and I asked myself when I wanted to pivot into AI, seeing how big of a paradigm shift this is going to be, was how do we get into AI? I'm already a cybersecurity professional. I already have maybe even decades of experience. What do I need to do to get into AI? So I think that's a very big question. I can give you my own perspective. There's different areas, obviously, of AI when it comes to the places where human beings are being used within the building of these AI systems. You can have the data scientists, people who are helping to train these AI systems themselves. You have people that are, like me, in cybersecurity that want to understand how do I best secure AI. For that component is what I'll talk about. I had to look at what made AI different and what made AI the same. So there are definitely, from our core governance and risk and compliance areas, very common theory and principle that should be applied to all AI. That said, AI is also very different from normal application development. It is its own type of build. You're looking at things that are basically mathematically based, using probability in how they make decisions and how they create outcomes, how they pull data, how they learn. So there's different areas that are outside of the normal, what we call SDLC, software development lifecycle, or even security development lifecycle, that would apply specifically to AI that aren't as specific to other application builds. The first thing I looked for was, what is the documentation that's out there? At the time, there was just lots and lots of different papers, white papers that are out there, and I do definitely endorse doing that, finding good sources from OWASP and other well-known organizations to get some good foundational knowledge on AI itself.